Hi developers, welcome to day 0 of the free online Fullstack web development bootcamp. Today what we're going to be doing is setting up our computer so we can actually write some code. So we're going to be looking into downloading code editor, setting up Git so we can push things through to GitHub. We will look at possibly some extensions that you may want to use, and then from there, once you're all set up, feel free to move on to week 1. If you have these things already, then you're more than welcome to skip this video and start your journey on week 1 of the bootcamp. So first of all, if you're using Windows, you'll want to use something similar to Git Bash, which you can Google and easily download. So you can download it from here, clicking Windows. You can also get it for Mac. So we'll just go through this with you, and we'll start the download. Alrighty, so once that's downloaded, you can just click next. Pretty much use all of the defaults here, so you can just go next. If you want a desktop icon, you can select that, so I'll leave it on. Next, I'm going to use VS Code, so next. From the command line, third-party software, that's fine. Next, 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 and install. So I've just got to close one thing. I've actually got it running, so I'll just close that. Install. Awesome, so once that's all finished, you should see this screen and we can just launch it. Okay, so once you're in your terminal, you pretty much just want to type in ls, make sure you can see the folders. You can navigate into particular folders like so. View the files within. That's really all you want to do for now, because we're going to dive into linking this to our GitHub later on. So just to confirm, all you need for now is your terminal window. Ideally, sign up for a free GitHub account, and then some form of code editor, such as VS Code. So inside your code editor, Atom, VS Code, a lot of them have this. You can actually install extensions. So you can head into the marketplace, and let's say I wanted colored brackets. I could install this extension. I've already got that. ESLint, etc., etc. So some people use something like Prettier or Beautify. And what this will do is when you save your file, it actually formats it for you. So if I was to save it, you can see the auto formatting is taking place. And that just makes it nice and easy when you're writing code. As well as that, it gives you a nice color scheme. You can download different extensions if you want different color schemes. And that just makes it easy to tell if you have a typo in your code, such as this. I can see, oh, this is red, it's screaming out at me. I wonder what's missing. Oh, I'm probably missing something here to close that string. So that's what you'll want to look into for your specific code editor. I know in Atom you can actually run code line by line, which may be helpful later on in the bootcamp, but the one I'll be using is Visual Studio Code. So that is all for now. We have covered downloading a code editor, setting up Git, which is this little terminal here. We haven't linked it to our account yet, but we will do that later in the week. We've had a quick discussion about extensions you can use. So if you have all of these things set up and ready, you can now move on to week 1 of the bootcamp. And if you get stuck on any of these steps, just sing out in the comments below. I hope to see you all in week 1. Have a lovely day.